Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Gamophilic by Bhavna Shaktaut. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification of the latest videos. So today's topic of discussion is pH scale. Now, what do you mean by a pH scale? It is a scale for measuring H plus ion concentration in a solution. Now the question arises, what is the need for measuring H plus ion concentration? So, according to Lewis acid base concept, an acid is a proton donor or something which donates H plus ion, and a base is one which donates OH minus ions. Now, to determine how acidic a substance is, one needs the measurement of H plus ion concentration, and therefore pH scale is also used as an acid base indicator. Now the word pH, what is the meaning of the word pH? Now P stands for potence. It is a German word which means power, and H stands for hydrogen. So pH is referred to as the power of hydrogen. Now talking about the range of the pH scale, so the range of pH lies from 0 to 14. Now 0 to 7 and 7 to 14. So pH 7 is neutral, 7 to 14 is basic, and 0 to 7 is acidic. So if we talk about strong acids like HCl, this will lie in the range 0 to 7, and a strong base like NaOH will lie in the pH range 7 to 14, and neutral molecules like water will have a pH 7. Now some common substances and their pH. So bases like NaOH will have a pH range 13 to 14. Then human blood has a pH 7.4, it is slightly alkaline. Milk is slightly acidic, it is 6.8. Saliva 6.4. Black coffee 2 has an acidic pH 5. Then all the soft drinks have an acidic pH 3. Then gastric juice is highly acidic, pH 1.2, and HCl is a strong acid, hydrochloric acid, has a pH range from 0 to 1, so approximately 0 to 1. pH is also defined as the negative logarithm to base 10 of activity of hydrogen ion in a solution. So pH is equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration. Now water, consider a reaction. Here one water molecule acts as an acid, other acts as a base. One will donate H plus ion, the other will accept H plus ion. So H3O plus and OH, the concentration of H plus ion and OH minus are numerically equal, and experimentally it is found to be 10 to the power minus 7 m. So calculating the pH, minus log of H plus, this will be equals to minus log of 10 to the power minus 7, and this will be equals to 7. So the pH is equal to 7. Similarly, pOH will also be equal to 7. Now the ionization constant for water, Kw will be equals to H3O plus OH minus. If you calculate the pKw, this will be equals to pH plus pOH. If we calculate pKw, this will be equals to pH plus pOH is equal to 7 plus 7, this is equal to 14. So the highest range of pH scale comes to be 14. Now if H plus concentration is greater than 10 to the power minus 7 m, then the substance is acidic. If H plus concentration is less than 10 to the power minus 7 m, then the substance is basic. So pH less than 7 is acidic pH, pH less than 7 is acidic pH, pH greater than 7 is basic pH, and pH equal to 7 is for neutral substances.